Hi everyone, Taco Dog here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please take a moment to like and subscribe so we can keep great stuff coming your way. And as always, thank you for the support. My channel is about camping, cooking, having fun outdoors, and doing all of this in a 2017 Toyota Tacoma Off-Road. I've been camping more than 40 years, mostly in the eastern and southern United States. During that time, I learned a lot. Some videos on my channel will share my knowledge, including basic camping skills, covering what to bring with you, how to pack, what to wear, how to make safe water, and of course everybody's favorite, how to start a fire. By the way, my camping buddy is Bronson, an Australian Shepherd. You'll see him in my videos, and he's always with me when we go outdoors. Aussies make great camp dogs and were bred in the American West during the 1800s. They are loyal and fun companions. Bronson is my taco dog. When I go camping, I tent camp from my truck. These days, I like to find a campsite, set up, and settle in. My primary tent is an Oztent RV3. It uses an internal frame, goes up quickly, and has room to stand up inside. I sleep on a cot and air mattress for comfort. The big advantage of this tent is setup options. Sometimes I only use the tent. Other times I rig the tent awning. If I'm staying a while, I might also add side panels on the awning for increasing interior space and for rain shelter. My other tents are by the north face and include an Expedition Series tent for winter use and a lightweight two-person tent for summer and backpacking use. Some videos on my channel will discuss gear, including what I like and don't like about what I've purchased and used. You can't go camping without eating, and campfire cooked meals are awesome food. To save time, I like to prepare meals at home, package them, then put them straight on the fire to cook. This way it's less work and cleanup at the campsite and more time to do other stuff. Some videos on my channel will cover camp cooking, including my favorite recipes. Finally, to get to where I want to go outdoors, I needed a truck. My choice was the 2017 Toyota Tacoma Off-Road. During 2021, I completed extensive modifications to this truck, almost all of which were done in my driveway using simple tools and a bunch of elbow grease. Videos on my channel will show how the build came together, including installations of Yakima and eezi-awn truck racks, a Yakima 10-gallon road shower, a 23-0 Paragon trunk awning, and a 23-0 shower enclosure. Some videos will also show my Baja Designs off-road lighting installation, including how it's wired. Other videos will show how I installed a worn eezi-awn winch for use in vehicle recovery by hiding it behind the bumper and grill. Still other videos will show my communications package, including radio and antenna installation. So that wraps it up. I try and spend at least 3 days each month in campgrounds or the woods. Check my channel for regular updates. Again, please take a moment to like and subscribe so we can keep great stuff coming your way. Thank you for watching.